Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can draw fine line in Instagram story. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on add story and then I'm going to select image from my gallery. For example, I'm gonna go with this one, and here I'm going to show you how we can draw fine line. If you want to draw, you can click on these three dots on the top right corner and then you can select draw. Okay, and here you will be able to select the type of the pen you want to use to draw, and the first one is arrow. You can use this type to automatically create arrow like this. And if you want to delete the drawing, you just need to select this one and it will delete the drawing like this, or you can simply tap on undo. But wait, I'm just going to delete it. Okay, and then the second one, I'm going to show you the marker. Wait, I'm going to change the color and I'm going to start drawing like this. If you're not satisfied, you can simply click on undo like this. Okay, and then the third one is neon. You can use this neon to create neon line on your Instagram story. You can customize the color as you like. Okay, and I'm just going to tap on undo. Alright, and the last one is chalk. You can draw chalk on your Instagram story like this. Alright, and I'm just going to tap on undo. Okay, and I think there is one pen that I haven't mentioned. This one is called pen, the original one. Okay, just like this. That's so easy, right? And I'm just going to undo. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to draw fine line on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.